Okay, more about working with your refrigerator, water dispensing, ice making system. If you go to use your water dispenser here and the flow of water starts out quite slow and then picks up to normal, that likely means you have a leak in either a fitting back here, or one of your hoses has a slight crack in it or a pinhole leak. So pull the refrigerator out from the wall and see if you see a tiny stream of water coming out from your water line here. You may have to replace, one of these couplers. You can get these at, your standard Home Depot, Lowe's, that sort of thing. Or you may need to replace the water line altogether if it's getting brittle and got a puncture in it somewhere. Anyway, the telltale sign is when you go to press your dispenser and the water does not flow instantly, quickly. It goes like slow and then picks up. That means you have a leak, and that would also be a reason why your ice maker is putting out just only a little bit or very short ice cubes, because you have a leak somewhere in your line. All right, check out our other videos. We got more on this. This happens to be an LG refrigerator, like a 2007 model, but this could affect, many different types of refrigerators. So check out our other videos. We got other stuff relating to this sort of issue. So subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. See y'all later.